We're going to find the center of enlargement of these two diagrams. So we have triangle ABC and we have its image A', B', C'. But where was the center of enlargement? Because it's not indicated on the piece of paper. So all you need to be able to do this problem is have a ruler and a pencil, or I'm going to use a pen in this case. So all you need to do is take your ruler and join up the original point and its image. So I'm going to join up B and B', and you just inscribe a line segment joining those 2 points. So I can already see that somewhere along this point is going to be the center of enlargement. You can already see that somewhere along here it can't really be.